What's up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. This is Skylyfe Projects. Much love, major blessings. You guys, we got another video here. This is, judging by its title, we're installing the Cusco Rear Strut Brace with the quick release mounts. It should be a super simple install. I mean, really, it's just 4 bolts, 2 each side. I believe they're 14mm sockets, so it should be relatively super simple, right? But before we get this video started, please please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll always be alerted for future uploads like this. This is Skylyfe Projects. You guys, let's waste no more time. Let's get this video started. Here we go. So these right here are what you have to take out. They're stapled right there. They go like that. Staples, easy, you just pull them off. It's like they're meant to come off. So, all right. And then amongst all the other stuff here, there's the strut bar. I believe it's a 14. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think it's a 14. Yeah, let me see. I'll be right back, you guys. Hold up. Yep, it's a 14. It's on. All right. We're just going to tighten from the back first. satisfying sound. Let me zoom in here. You guys can see it all. Super dope, right? All right. Blue tape off. I'll throw that to the side. And the quick release goes like this. All you do is pull it each side, and voila, there it is. So quick release strut bar from Cusco, install done. All right, I'll be back with you guys in just a moment. Well, y'all, that's gonna do it for this video. If you did enjoy the video, smash that thumbs up button for me, greatly appreciate it. And let me know what you guys think. It was a very easy install, probably one of the easiest installs for this car, to be honest with you. Yeah, you got to get in there a little bit. You got to, you know, play Stretch Armstrong to get the bolts on, but it's super easy, you guys. I mean, anybody can do it, to be honest with you. So let me show you what it looks like final here. This is what it looks like with all the stuff in the back. Right, so the toolkit, everything, like, see, it just slides right under. So there's plenty of room to still get stuff under, you know what I mean? And it also used as a brace now. You can hold groceries back there. You can put this back here. You know what I'm saying? Whatever you feel comfortable with. So yeah, looks good. Mats are back in. Not much really else to say besides that. You guys, until another video, stay tuned. We got more content coming up. But let me know what you guys think about this install. And honestly, I'll let you know on the next video how it feels when I drive it. This is really just the install video, and I'm gonna go drive it right now. So stay tuned for the next video. I'll let you guys know how it feels. Much love, major blessings. Skylyfe, let's go.